Hi, in front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this OPPO. Firstly, click on calendar. Now you need to tap on the month above, select a date by clicking at the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here, click on event and customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour or ending one. You can also turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can add people, choose location by clicking while using the app or only this time, typing wherever you want to, and clicking on the right location over here. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. Click done, take notes and some other things. When you're done, click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, you can always click on it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.